Hi all, welcome to my channel Javasoul. In today's video, we are going to discuss reduce, filter, and map. As you know, there are two types of operation in Java. First one is intermediate operation, second one is terminal operations. So filter and map are the part of the intermediate operation, and reduce is a part of terminal operation. Okay, that reduce basically used to reduce the content of a stream to a single value, and filter, as you know, to extract a value based on the condition, and map basically used to convert from one type to another type. Okay, and let's see with the program. As you can see here, I have already created a class reduce program. Inside this class, I have also created two more classes. First one is the product and second one is the product database. In product, I'm taking two properties, product name and product price. Okay, and inside the product database, I have created one methods which will return a list of products. As you can see, I have created six objects of a products and added to the list and then returning the list. Okay, now we will implement two use cases. First one, we will see how to get a sum of all product price, and second one will see get sum of specific product. Okay, uh, let's call get all products from a product database to get a list of product. Get all products and it's return list of product. Products. First we need to call a stream function to get a stream from this list. Okay, as you can see what it's returning a stream of products. Okay, so I'm calling a map function to convert from one type to another type, because as of now we have a stream of type product, but we have to perform actions on a product price only. So h okay, product, or we can directly call using a method reference product get product price. Okay, now as you can see here, what it's returning in this map function, it's returning a stream of type double. Okay, it's not now the stream of type product. Okay, so the type is get converted, is got converted here. Now I will call a reduce function because we have to get the sum of all price. Okay, okay, uh, there are multiple variants of reduce, as you can see. Okay, in first it's accepting only binary operator. In second one, as you can see, there are two parameters it's accepting. First one is identity, second one is binary operator, third one is identity and y function. So if you're not aware of the binary operator, let me tell you, this binary operator basically, see, it extends a y function, and y function, there is one function is there, one abstract function is apply. Okay, in y function, functional interface which accepted two parameters, okay, of different type. But in binary operator, it also use the same function apply, but it accepts the same type of inputs and returns the same type of output. Okay, so we are going to take this one. We will pass the first parameter as a default value. I'm going to pass as a 0. Okay, here as I told, it accepts two parameters p1 and p2, and we have to do sum p1 plus p2. Okay, why it's giving an error? Okay, we have to pass a default value, not an integer. Okay, now error is gone. Now we will see in the how this p1 and p2 is populated, okay, with the elements of an stream. Let's see. So first p1 value will be a 0. Okay, 0 dot 0. Okay, as an identity value. Okay, and p2 value will be the first value, as you can see here, 14,000, and then output value will be a 14,000. Okay, and second iteration, the P1 value will be the 14,000 and P2 value will be 16,000, then 18,000, 16,000. Okay, and then output will be 1614 is 30,000, and the third value is 18,000, 18,000, and the value of P1 will be in 30,000. So the total will be in 48,000. Okay, now we'll see a fourth iteration. It's 3,000. Okay, and the value of P1 will be 48,000 and it's going to be 3,000. So the final will be a 51,000. Okay, now P1 value will be a 51,000 and P2 value will be as somewhere it's a 7,000. 7,000 and total will be a 58,000. Okay, so P1 will update with the value 58,000 and P2 should be a 9,000. Just to verify it, yeah, it's 9,000. And then finally the output should be a 67,000. Okay, and as you can see it's returning a double value. Okay, so we have to tick here double uh, value, final value. Let's print this and run it. So we are getting a 67,000 as I already told. Okay, and yeah, we can add here dot zero because the type is double. That's it. Now we'll see the second scenario. Okay, second use case, and I'm going to copy this and we'll use the same. So what we need to do one thing only, we need to call a filter. Okay, as I mentioned here, for the specific products, okay, we will do a sum of product price. So I want to do a sum of product laptop only. Okay, e dot get product name dot equals, and we'll pass here value. Okay, okay, I'm just changing it to final value 1 and let's print this now. Let's run it. Now you can see we are getting two values. First one is 67,000, second one is 48,000. Okay, let's sum it. Here you can see it's a 30 and it's a 48,000. Okay, for the laptop. If you want to do sum of other products, like if you will pass a mobile, then the sum should be a 19,000. Okay, let's change this product name to mobile and let's run it. Okay, as I told, it should be a 19,000. Yep, that's it for this video. If you like this video, please subscribe my channel and provide some comments. Thank you.